Hi guys! Today we're going to learn about actions and the ing ending. So let's practice the verbs. Repeat after me. Read, write, draw, talk, sing, dance, eat, drink, sleep, play, listen, watch TV. Now let's learn about the ing ending. So we add the ing ending to a verb to talk about actions that are currently happening. For example, read, reading. Again, read, reading. What's the meaning of read? Leer. What's the meaning of reading? Leyendo. Now, repeat after me. Draw, drawing. Talk, talking. Sing, singing. Eat, eating. Drink, drinking. Sleep, sleeping. Play, playing. Now, I want you to know a grammar rule that's very important. So, when verbs end with E, like dance and write, we have to delete the E and then add ing. Now, repeat after me. Dance, dancing. Write, writing. Okay, guys. Now, let's see some examples. What's he doing? He's drawing a city. What's she doing? She's singing a song. What's he doing? He's eating a bread. What are they doing? They're playing a board game. What are they doing? They're drinking water. What are they doing? They're talking. Now, it's your turn. I'm going to ask you some questions and you are going to come up with an answer, okay? What's he doing? He's sleeping. What are they doing? They are dancing. What's he doing? He's writing. What are they doing? They are reading a book. Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching. Bye.